What's up, you guys? RPA Trucking and Survival again. You can see a little mess here I have on the table. I just finished going over this Covert 18 pack by 511. I've had other videos where some people wanted to see they commented and wanted to see the fire kit that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that real quick. This is my little fire kit here. It's light. Little MAXPEDITION case. Let's open her up. Let you take a look in there. Maybe you can identify some things already. So I got a few lighters here. All right. Now this, you're probably saying, Andrew, you didn't put any, you didn't cover it in plastic. Well, I can just put the MAXPEDITION in a plastic bag and I'm fine. I've got this Exotac ferrocerium rod. The way it works is you unscrew here. You've got the striker. You unscrew this side and you have the ferro rod that pulls out. Now to make it more ergonomically capable, you turn it around and screw it in like such. And you'll strike here. You can see I've not used it. This is for survival only. I practice with my bigger rods. Look this up on Amazon. You can find it there. For the sake of saving time, I'm going to put this aside. What else do we have in here? Of course, the lighters. I have my own homemade tinder, Vaseline, and cosmetic pads in a plastic bag. Completely waterproof, okay? You can submerge this in water outside of the plastic and it will still light. I have a video on that already. Little matchbox here with weatherproof matches. I got a Ranger band here. I'm probably going to put on a few more Ranger bands. And there you have all the weatherproof matches. Okay, there's those. Now in here, I've got a little baggie here, a thermal blanket, emergency rescue blanket, right? And on this side, I don't want to open it. It's a little match striker, piece of paper. And this blue case that you see here holds my magnifying lens. You can start a fire with a magnifying glass, you can signal, etc. What else do I have in here? Some aqua tabs and some Benadryl. I have an overactive immune system, therefore I'm very sensitive when it comes to my sinuses. Body's always trying to protect me from everything, man. So anyway, that all fits back in there like such. I'll close up my, as you can see, the ferro rod even can unscrew. You can put in a new one, okay? It's interchangeable. So when this one runs out, you just buy another one and screw in place. So I'm gonna put this back. As you can see, it's a very nifty little device. I'm gonna screw that back in, place it back into my kit. Hope you guys enjoyed that little show there. Comment down below on some things I can add, guys. I'm always open to suggestions. I'm open to learning more. So, RPA Trucking and Survival. For all you truckers out there on the road, stay safe and take care. I got a question about a gas can. All right, what kind am I using to store gasoline? I'll make a video on that soon. You guys stay safe, take care. All you truckers, see you on the road.